replenish the Spot house. I hope my shovel's here. But where's Spot? I don't see her, but maybe she used my shovel to dig that hole. I thought I heard voices. Hi, Patch. Hi, Marina. Out for a stroll? Ahoy, Spot. We're on a treasure hunt to find my lucky shovel. You haven't seen it, have you? I have seen it. I borrowed your shovel from in front of your house. I just needed it for a little while, so I could dig this hole for a piece of artwork I'd make it. I call it the hole. Wow, very realistic. And if you use my shovel, that means you know where it is. Yes. Thank you so much for letting me use it. I put the shovel right here, against the dirt pile. It's not there. I'm sure it's around here somewhere. Shovels don't have feet, and they can't just walk away, right? Parrot, more treasure! What? Whoa! Be careful over here. The ground's uneven. It's not just uneven, it's a treasure hunt clue. A clue? Those lines in the ground start right at the dirt pile where Spot left the shovel. And they're heading that way, which means someone could have borrowed the shovel and taken it along with them. And if we follow these lines, we'll find them. Let's go! I'll come with you. I love a good treasure hunt. We have to make sure our kites form the right pattern in the right place at the right time for Marina. No problem. This powerful fan will control our kite's speed and direction. Let's test it. Roger that. Fan, kites, go! That wasn't the right pattern or the right place at all. And I can't reach the strings to untangle them. We need a plan. We could build a catapult to launch ourselves up into the tree carrying special detangling tweezers. Though, of course, we'll also need parachutes just to be on the safe side. Or Bird and Owl could fly up there, untangle the strings, and bring the kites down to us. Yes, that could work too. More treasure, Parrot! Look! Hey, the lines in the ground are leading to Mitten's house. The lines stop at Mitten's sled, which means